While installing DPM 2019, I came across this error: the missing prerequisite HyperVPowerShell has been installed, which then informs you to restart the computer and run the application again. This caused an install loop for me, because even after the restart, it still would say HyperVPowerShell has been installed and to restart. I tried several PowerShell commands to fix this, including both of these here, but neither one of those worked. What didn't work though was to use DISM and run this command here. It restarts the server one more time, and then I was able to continue with the DPM 2019 install. Hopefully this helps you. Let me show you the error. Here it is, and this is it right here, the missing prerequisite, even though I had already installed Hyper-V PowerShell through PowerShell commands. So I just open a command prompt, run it as administrator, and copy and paste. It restarts the system, but now I'm able to restart the installation of DPM 2019, and it should pass and continue with the install now. And there we go. Now I'm no longer stuck in that loop. It is ready to install. Hope this helps you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.